Alright, to officially open our recital, here is our opening salvo. Please welcome the students of Flair School of Music with their performance, How Far I'll Go. A round of applause, please. Wow, what a great way to start our performance. Again, a round of applause to our batch 3 of our Flair School of Music recital with our theme, Go the Distance. But the title of their song is... Their opening salvo is... How Far I'll Go. So that song also, it means the courage. And then exploring their potential. Sa murang edad pa lang nila, they're stepping up. Alright? So it's braveness. Yung braveness na pinapakita nila is also an indication na malayo ang mararating ng mga batang iyan. And also, would like to acknowledge also the presence of our dear parents. Once again, palakpakan naman natin ang mga parents. Maraming salamat sa inyong suporta. And also, would like to acknowledge our dear sponsors for their generosity. Would like to thank Ovi Dream Events and Concepts, Ara Lampara at Musika Pro Sounds and Lights, Mega Energy of AXA Philippines, Habies Gaming Hub, Ian's Cake by Irene Abaricho, Kangen Water, G Plus Printing Advertisement Center, and Smart Speech Learning and Development Center. Thank you very much. Our event would be possible or would not be possible without your support. Maraming salamat po. And also, I would like to thank our dear suppliers, Dove's Gallery, and our venue, the Nest Resto Bar. Maraming salamat po. Alright, so how far I'll go? How far I'll go? Sino po dito yung mga malayong district? O, di ba? Parang literal, di ba? How far I'll go na mapuntahan yung venue natin. So, pero matanong ko lang po, sino dito yung nakapag-attend na or present nung batch 1? Meron ba? Ay, wow! Palakpakan naman natin! Ayan, from batch 1. Sino dito yung nakapunta na ng batch 1 and batch 2? Present doon sa first and 2. Wow! Ako din! Palakpakan nyo naman ang sarili nyo. Sino dito yung first time? I mean, first time, wow! Pakitap naman yung sarili nyo. Congratulations! If you have a kid here, a child, pero children, kasi dalawa, congratulations. And sino dito yung mga visitors or guests? Kaway-kaway naman po, guests or friends, relatives ng performer or ng ating mga coaches. Maraming salamat po sa pagdalo. And thank you very much. Wow, it's very fulfilling na ngayon may nakikita akong mga familiar faces. We would like to acknowledge as well the presence of ang JAB, Joram Balyon Music. Ano na ba ang ngayon? Kung meron kayo, wow, free advertisement na, di ba? So, bandurya. Yan. So, we're going to have it. Strings, guitar, so lahat ng may string, pwedeng i-play. Thank you very much for your presence here. So, maraming salamat po. And also, would like to thank our venue here. Napakaganda, hindi lang aesthetic, but very comfortable here as well. Kung masasabi ko, very intimate ang ating venue ngayon, di ba? So, thank you very much for your effort, for being here. And I know we're having the ample time to make our students and performers prepare for their performance, for the next performance. So, thank you very much. Ayan. So, also, would like to encourage you to take photo or take videos as well. You can also tag us. Okay, we have our Facebook page. You can search it right now if you have your data or Wi-Fi. Flair Acoustic. So nakatag pa po kami. Hindi pa siya School of Music, but our updates, our post, andun po sa aming page, Flair Acoustic. So you can search, you can like, you can follow para makita nyo din po yung mga updates and also yung mga videos and also photos we're going to upload there. So pakisubaybayan na lang po, pakifollow na lang po ng aming page, Flair Acoustic. Maraming salamat po. So what else? Ayan. So I would like to also thank not just the sponsors who supported and generously give their generosity, but also our production staff. Maraming salamat po sa ating production staff, Mushin Maria Lofamia, Christine Armario, and Andrea Asupardo. Also, thank you very much to our coaches. Diba? From batch 1, batch 2, batch 3, ilan pa kayang batch? Ilan pa kayang numero ang mga susunod nito? So, if you have mga kakilala or friends, kamag-anak, if you're seeing this, a meaningful event for your kid or you have a pamangkin, may apo kayo, may kakilala kayo na mahilig kumanta, o gusto nyong ma-improve pa yung kakayahan nila sa pagkanta at sa pagtugtog ng gitara or sa mga instruments, please don't hesitate to contact us. You can message us or personally approach us para malaman nyo yung details. Kasi maraming naghahanap hindi lang sa voice. Marami ding naghahanap yung mga gustong matutong mag-gitara. Meron din pong may choice na mag-bandurya. Meron din po kaming bago na anong tawag doon? Drums. Wow. So, di ba? All in one. Alright. So, I think they're ready now. All right. So, once again, we're going to celebrate our students' hard work, students' talent, and love for their music. So, this recital is a special moment for them to share their growth and achievement. And then to our parents, families, and friends, okay, let's enjoy the moment of our performances right now. So now, let us begin with our first set of our performers. Ready na ba? Yeah. So I would like also to request our dear audience to express our appreciation. We can express our appreciation or gladness or being amazing, di ba? Through clapping your hands. Isa namang masigabong palakpakan. Ayan, maraming salamat. Hindi ba? So, maraming salamat. And now, to begin our first set of our performers right now, our first performer is Lauren Dominic Emiliano to sing 8 by Bini. A round of applause, please.
Throughout your voice lesson journey, what is one important lesson you've learned that you believe has further strengthened your talent in singing, and why?
One of the most important lessons I've learned in my voice lesson journey is commitment. Even though I am busy with many things, I still have time to practice and learn the things I have learned in this voice lesson.
Inakala ko lalong bibigay ang puso. Inakala ko hanggang dito na lang. Magkayakap tungo sa ating pangarap. Lahat ng to sa atin nagpapatibay. Sa bawat alaala atin itong iaalay. Inakala ko bibigay ang puso. Nakala ko hanggang dito na lang at hihinto. Ngunit ako'y nagkamali. Kislap ng mata sa'yo'y di maikubli. Magkayakap tungo sa ating pangarap. Mga tawa, iyak at sigaw ng tagumpay. Lahat ng to sa atin nagpapatibay. Sa bawat alaala atin itong iaalay. Magkayakap, ilang sikot ng daan ang dinaanan, luha at pawis na ating inilaan. Lahat ng to ay ating nalagpasan, mga alaala aking pinanghahawakan. Walang imposible, walang makakapigil. Pagkat dito sa bagong pahina magsisimula. Kahit lahat ng tao itinakda ang pagkatalo, ipapakitang matatag pa rin tayo. Laging pinanghahawakan lahat ng dinaanan at ang pangakong walang hanggang dulo. Walang hanggang dulo. Magkaya
Thank you very much, Ayen. Magkayakap tungo sa ating pangarap. What a performance, Ayen. Again, a round of applause para sa ating baby girl, Ayen. Thank you very much for that amazing and cutesy performance. Alam niyo ba ang singer ng kantang yan? Si Daddy, alam na alam. Bini, alam niyo ba? Yes. Yes, si Blossom. Alam niyo ba ang Bini also comes from the Tagalog word or Filipino word? Bini, which means a young lady. Diba? Young lady, Miss Ayen, magbo-bloom. So, sabi nga sa lyrics, walang imposible. Diba? It also connotes the dreams of Ayen. Ano kaya yung dream ni Ayen, di ba, in the future? So, once again, maraming salamat for our first performer. Alright, so our second performer next on stage. Ready na ba? Yes, because we have more for you. Let's have our next on stage, Gian A. Redoblado, with the song Ben by Michael Jackson.
Throughout your voice lesson journey, what is one important lesson you've learned that you believe has further strengthened your talent in singing, and why?
The important lesson I learned in my voice lesson are to always practice the proper posture and use the right techniques that helps my voice sound nicer and helps my talent grow.
I don't wanna see you anymore. Then I don't wanna leave to play with you. Not even if you try to see the smile. Not even if you darling. Then the two of us need look no more. We both found what we were looking for. With a friend to call my own, I'll never be alone. And you, my friend, will see you've got a friend in me. Then you're always running here and there. You feel you're not wanted anywhere. If you ever look behind and don't like what you find, there's something you should know. You've got a place to go. Used to say I and me, now it's us, now it's we. I used to say I and me, now it's us, now it's we. Then most people would turn you away. I don't listen to a word they say. They don't see you as I do. I wish they would try to. I'm sure they think again if they had a friend like Ben. Like Ben.
very much, Ben! Gian! Thank you very much, Gian. Smile naman. Kaway naman dyan sa mga fans mo. Yan sa mga fans. Ayan, ayan. What a great performance. Alam niyo ba, ang kumanta niyan, si Michael, bakit Michael Jordan? Michael Jackson. You know what, that singer or Michael Jackson sang that song when he was 14 years old. Pero parang may nakabit na ngayon, di ba? Kung siya yung pinakabata at the age of 14, si Gian ngayon, dito sa Legazpi, ang pinakabatang kumanta ng Michael Jackson song. Again, a round of applause to our little boy, Gian. Maraming salamat, Gian. Alright, our third performer for today is Maria Jeranica Kate A. Valderrama to perform sa Iyo by Sara Geronimo. A round of applause, please.
Throughout your voice lesson journey, what is one important lesson you've learned that you believe has further strengthened your talent in singing, and why?
The most important that I've learned through this journey is to face discipline and focus on what I'm doing.
Ako'y magmamahal pa. Ikaw lamang sinta. Sa akin ang magbabago pala.
our little Sarah G ng Flair School of Music. Again, a round of applause to our beautiful Kate. Thank you very much. Alam niyo ba ang Sa Iyo or Sa Iyo by Sarah G still remains one of the most iconic pop songs the year 2000. So sino niyo yung mga andito ng 2000? O kami yung mga 90s. Meron din mga 80s. Hello! Ayan. So that was our third performer. Now for our fourth performance. Here is Krishna Fatima D. Bernat.
Throughout your voice lesson journey, what is one important lesson you've learned that you believe has further strengthened your talent in singing, and why?
Throughout my voice lesson journey, one of the most important things that stayed on my mind is breath support and embouchure because it's what I lack most in my singing.
They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say I've lost my mind. I don't care, so call me crazy. We can live in a world that we design.
Oo nga pala, hindi nga pala tayo. Hanggang dito lang ako, nangangarap na mapagsayo. Hindi sinasadya na hanapin pa ang lugar ko. Asan nga ba ako? Andyan pa ba sa iyo nahihilo? Nalilito, asan ba sa iyo? Aasa ba sa iyo? Nasusuka ako, kinakain na ang loob, masakit na mga tuhod. Kailangan bang lumod? Gusto ko lang naman yung totoo, yung tipong ang sagot ay di rin isang tanong. Nahihilo, nalilito, asan ba sa'yo? Asan ba sa'yo? Nahihilo, nalilito, asan ba sa'yo? Aasa ba sa'yo? Dahil di na makatulog, hindi na makakain, dahil hindi na makatawa, dahil hindi na. Oo nga pala, hindi nga pala tayo. Hanggang dito na lang ako. Nahihilo, nalilito, asan ba sa'yo?
Krishna Fatima. Hindi ba kayo nagka-migraine? Alam niyo ba na ang migraine or the guitar riff in the song Migraine, kung narinig nyo kanina yung guitar riff or yung intro nun, that was one of the most recognizable intro ng OPM song. Pag nalaman nyo, yun pa lang yung mga guitar strum na yun na yun. Migraine na yun. And also, that was hit before mauso pa yung TikTok. So dati sa atin, wala pang TikTok. But you know, naging popular ang kantang Migraine. Hindi sa TikTok, hindi sa internet, but through requested song sa radyo. Ayan, that was Migraine. So also, we would like to thank our dear sponsors at this very moment. Maraming salamat sa ating generous sponsors. OV Dream Events and Concepts, Ara Lampara, at Musica Pro Sounds and Lights, Mega Energy of AXA Philippines, Yabiest Gaming Hub, Ian's Cake by Irene Abaricho, Kanjan Water, G Plus Printing Advertisement Center, Smart Speech Learning and Development Center. Also, we thank our suppliers, Dolph's Gallery, The Nest, Restobar, and Yen Gimo. Also, would like to thank our production staff. Maraming salamat po. Mushin Marie Lafamia, Christine Armario, and Andrea Asopardo. And also would like to thank our dear coaches, our coach Aki Lafamia and coach or teacher Jessica Atento. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. And also, would like to acknowledge our dear guests. Wow, talaga napuno and na-fill ang ating chairs ngayong hapon na ito. Palakpakan naman ninyo sarili ninyo to do such an effort. I'm seeing here some familiar faces. Maraming salamat po sa effort and sa presence nyo and sa masigabong palakpakan sa ating event. Maraming salamat. Ayan. So, maraming salamat. Parang medyo nagkulang na nga ang ating mga chairs. Hindi ba? Hindi ko alam, baka may dumating pa mamaya. Kalahati pa lang tayo, hindi ba? So, yan. Would like to have, I think we're ready right now. So, let's have our second set of our performance. So, we continue with our recital performances. Here is Francis Kit A. Valderrama to play Living on a Jet Plane by Chantal Crevillaso. A round of applause, please.
Throughout your guitar lesson journey, what is one important lesson you've learned that you believe has further strengthened your talent in playing the guitar, and why?
Throughout my guitar lesson journey, I start to enjoy music and vibing with friends.
Are packed, I'm ready to go. I'm standing here outside your door. I hate to wake you up to say goodbye, but the dawn is breaking, it's early morn. The taxi's waiting, he's blowing his horn. Already I'm so lonesome I could die. So kiss me and smile for me. Tell me that you'll wait for me. Hold me like you'll never let me to go. There's so many times I've let you down, so many times I've played around. Tell you now they don't mean a thing. Every place I go, I think of you. Every song I sing for you. When I come back, I'll bring you a wedding ring. You can sing with us. So kiss me. Hold me like let me go. 'Cause I'm
'Yan, ganyan talaga tayo pag live. Alright. Ganyan talaga pag live, di ba? Medyo may mga glitches. So, maraming salamat pa rin po. At bumalik ang ating kuryente. Ayan. Once again, a round of applause for our performer kid.
Now the time has come to leave you. One more time, let me kiss you. Tell you now they don't mean a thing. Dream about the days to come when I won't have to live alone. About the times I won't have to say. Let's go. So kiss me and smile for me. Tell me that you wait for me. Hold me like you'll never let me go. 'Cause I'm living on a jet plane. I don't know when I'll be back again. Oh babe, I hate to go. One more time. 'Cause I'm living on a jet plane. I don't know when I'll be back again. Oh, babe, I hate to go. 'Cause I'm living on a jet plane. 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 Living on a jet plane.
Maraming salamat to our performer, Kit Valderrama. And of course, our coaches, maraming salamat. Miss Jessica Atento and Miss Aki Lofamia. Palakpakan naman po natin sila. on our strings, and on our percussion. Maraming salamat. And maraming salamat, Aleko. Di ba? The show must go on! Maraming salamat. And to give you another trivia, Living on a Jet Plane was one of the most covered song in terms of pop and folk history. So talagang hit chunk. Kahit nasa anong century na tayo, 20th century, di ba? Still, it was still a hit. Di ba? So, napakagandang kanta. So, thank you very much, Kit. Now, we continue to our performances. Alright. Next, on stage, pagkatapos tayong maiwan ng jet plane, next on our stage is Samantha Celine M. Sia with Paano Ba Ang Magmahal by Sarah Geronimo.
Throughout your voice lesson journey, what is one important lesson you've learned that you believe has further strengthened your talent in singing, and why?
One important lesson I learned in this voice lesson is proper breathing and timing, and also controlling my voice and sing with more power and confidence.
Ito na naman ako, nag-aabang ng bago sa istorya mo. Paulit-ulit na lang, paulit-ulit na lang. Ito na naman ako, tinitingnan sa nagkamali ang puso ko. Parang walang katapusan, walang katapusan. Kahit pilitin pa ang sarili, ibigin kang mali, ako'y mali, ako'y mali. Paano bang magmahal? Palagi bang nasasaktan? Umiiyak na lang palagi, gusto ko nang lumisan. Paano bang magmahal? Kailangan bang nasasaktan? Lagi na lang di maaari, ngunit ayaw lumisan. Ito nga naman ako, parang hindi nadadala ang puso ko. Kahit nasusukatan, aking ipaglalaban. Kahit pilitin pang sarili, ibigin kang mali, ako'y mali, parang mali. Paano bang magmahal? Palagi bang nasasaktan? magkakataong malayaw na ang puso mo at puso ko. Paano bang magmahal? Palagi kong nasasaktan. Umiiyak na lang palagi. Gusto ko nang lumisan. Paano bang magmahal? Palagi kong nasasaktan. Umiiyak na lang palagi. Gusto ko nang lumisan. Paano bang magmahal? Palagi kong nasasaktan. Umiiyak na lang palagi. Gusto ko nang lumisan. Paano bang magmahal? Palagi kong nasasaktan. Umiiyak na lang palagi. Lagi na lang di maaari. Umiiyak na lang palagi. Lagi na lang di maaari. Ngunit ayaw lumisan.
Maraming salamat, Sam G, Este, Samantha, Celine. Maraming salamat. Ang daming nag-idolize talaga kay Sarah G, di ba? Parang ang sakit ng kanta. You know, paano ba ang magmahal? That was our featured in the movie, The Breakup Playlist, starring, of course, Sarah G and si Papa P or Piolo Pascual. O parang, parang, sino ba nakapanood nung movie na yon? Ay, si Ma'am. Di ba? Ma'am, kumusta Ma'am? Umiyak ba? Hindi naman. Lalong na in love si Ma'am. Ako yung kinilig. Thank you very much, Sam. And to complete our list of our performers. Okay, to complete this set, last but not the least, Nathalia Freja R. Miranda to perform Minamahal, also by Sarah Geronimo. A round of applause, please.
Throughout your voice lesson journey, what is one important lesson you've learned that you believe has further strengthened your talent in singing, and why?
One important lesson I've learned is the value of proper technique by focusing on breath support and a steady embouchure. I've strengthened my tone and gained more confidence when singing.
Nalala mo ba ba? Nung tayong dalawa'y magkaibigan pa lang. Akalain mo nga naman, aabot tayo sa araw na ito. Tumingin sa aking mga mata at hindi nang nais isumpa. Ako ay iyong magpakailanman. Ika'y minamahal, ang puso kong ligaw. Walang sinisigaw kundi ikaw. Ikaw ay aking walang katapusan. Pinapangako na mamahalin kita hanggang sumapit ang muling umaga. Handang
you very much, Natalia Freja, for that performance. Thank you very much, Nat. A young lady was really inspiring din na maging singer. And you know what? Also, Sarah Geronimo, she became popular when she won ang Star of a Night. That was the year 2002. So doon siya nagsimulang sumikat. But before that, talagang at very young age, 2 to 4 years old, talagang nagsimula na siyang mag-perform at kumanta. So dyan pala nagsisimula sa mga simpleng pag-perform. Anywhere, kung baga pwedeng sa bahay, nag-uumpisa sa bahay, nag-uumpisa sa barangay, sa school if you're, of course, a student. Also, saan pa ba? Sa mga recital tulad nito. So we'd like to invite you as well that if you have, kung may mga kapatid pa tong nag-perform na to, encourage your child, yung mga kakilala nyo na sumali sa aming recital. So we'd like to invite you, please reach out any one of us from Flair School of Music. So, yan, thank you very much. And also, maraming salamat to our dear guest. Napupuno ang ating venue. Maraming salamat sa inyong suporta. Maraming salamat sa pagmamahal sa Flair School of Music, sa mga coach, sa ating mga students from batch 1 to batch 2 and batch 3. Ayan, so mamaya would like to invite you as well sa mga susunod na batch. Ayan, so please settle down para sa ating mga new guests and visitors and family members ng ating, feeling ko ng ating coach, yung mga bagong dating. Ayan. Also would like to thank our dear sponsors and suppliers. Maraming salamat po. And to get to know more about Flair School of Music, please listen to her message, our coach, our teacher, Miss Jessica Atento. A round of applause, please.
Good afternoon, everyone. Wow, punong-puno ang ating venue. May mga nakatindig pa. Alright. Meron pa sa baba, actually. Joke lang. Anyway, so, ano bang message ko? Nung pinipili namin yung magiging song for our recital, actually, hindi kami we're not that serious. Sabi ko, something na motivational lang, something na inspiring. So, nagkataon na we are familiar with How Far I'll Go, and then Go the Distance. Pero sabi ko, kailangan ko pala magsalita sa unahan. Sabi ko, ano ang kailangan kong sabihin? And so while I was thinking of words to share, nag-focus ako sa song na napili namin. So kung mapapansin nyo, the two songs were How Far I'll Go and Go the Distance. Mamaya kakanta sila ng Go the Distance. The first song, it's a question. Diba? It's a question. How far I'll go. Ano sa Tagalog ang how far I'll go? Gaano ako kalayo pupunta? Tama? Yan. Mga Inglesera na kasi. So, gaano kalayo or gaano kalayo ang aking pupuntahan? So, it's a question. So, because it's a question, of course, it needs, kailangan may sagot. Diba? So, ang sagot, I was thinking, sabi ko, how far I'll go. I found the answer to our second song. How far I'll go? Go the distance. Hindi yun joke, pero totoo, diba? There's a value on that question and on that answer na nagkataon, yun yung kanta namin. Diba? Kasi halimbawa, may nagtatanong or may magtatanong about lugar. Malayo ba ang Albay sa Camarines Sur or Sorsogon? Madalas na nasagot, ay may distansya. Diba? Malayo, medyo may distansya. So, when we think of distance, go the distance, ano ang madalas na pumapasok sa isip nyo? Malayo. Diba? Hindi pwedeng may distansya, tapos malapit lang. So, it's always, pag sinabing distance, it means malayo. So, in Tagalog, kung itatagalog natin, how far I'll go the distance, gaano kalayo ang aking pupuntahan? Ang sagot, pumunta ka ng may kalayuan. Tama ba? Pwede ba? Gaano kalayo? And gusto kong i-share yung kwento kasi I want this realization to make sense. Gusto niyo ba ng kwento? Mga 1 hour. So, I started singing, or rather, I'm already singing for 3 decades. Uy, computation. Kinocompute niyo edad ko, no? So, I'm already singing for 3 decades. Ngayon, when we started to have this vocal lesson, hindi siya naging madali. Kasi nga, it's my talent to sing, pero never ako naging teacher or nag-aral as teacher. So, it's a continuous process. Hindi siya madali, okay? Hindi naging madali. And para sa, for most, kasi yung iba hindi pa masyado kaming kilala, we just started our voice lesson last year. Last year lang kami nag-start. And yung recital, ngayong taon lang din kami nag-start. So we already have 3 recitals. Okay? And this journey was not easy. Alam nyo yan. And, eto na nga. Ito yung nangyari. Itong 3rd batch, this was very challenging. Talagang very challenging talaga siya. So, ang daming nangyari, kahit yung mga parents, alam yan. Tapos, di ba, nagbagyo pa. Tapos, di ba, nag-prepare kami ng prepare, tapos biglang postponed, canceled. So, thank God, natuloy pa rin siya. Now, before itong recital, for some of you who were with us, we have a partnered school. May partnered school kami. Dahil mga busy ang coach, so nagkataon na, ang ending, we're gonna have our, si Flair School of Music, magkakaroon ng recital na siya lang. So, sabi ko, oh my God, paano yun? So, syempre, it was so challenging. Yun na yung sinasabi ko na distance. Diba? I just want to impart my talent in singing, pero never did I imagine na ganito pala siya ka-challenging. But you know what? Even though it's challenging, ang saya. Ang saya pa rin kasi we dream big. Hindi namin alam kung ano ang mangyayari. Ang dami naging problema. Mga estudyante nagkasakit. Sabay-sabay sila nagkasakit. So, minsan may mga lessons kaming hindi natutuloy. Most of us here, may mga lapses din. So, ang daming challenges. But, okay, and at the same time din, sabi ko nga, this is our first recital na kami lang. So, what does it mean? Siyempre, kung dati marami kami, ibig sabihin din nun, malaki din ang budget. Dahil maraming estudyante. But, because, sabi ko nga, bahala ka na, Lord. So, kumunti kami, pero, sabi ko, siguro kaya nangyari yon for me to have something to share sa inyong lahat. Tingnan nyo paligid nyo. Hindi namin inaakalang matutuloy ito, pero natuloy pa rin. At puno ang venue, di ba? And, ang daming naituro sa amin. And we've realized that going the distance means dreaming big. And when you dream big, you're gonna have bigger problems. But bigger problems will also give you bigger learnings. So, ang dami-dami naming natutunan. Ang dami naming nakilalang panibagong mukha, panibagong estudyante. So, ang dami-dami naming natutunan. So, this is the message that I want to share. When you are dreaming, alam nyo ba na natural sa ating mga tao na mangarap ng malaki? Sino dito ang may pangarap na maliit? Yung maliit lang. Sino? Di ba wala? Kahit tanungin nyo yan si Gian. Gian, anong pangarap mo? Soldier. Soldier. Malaki. Daddy, gusto niya maging soldier. Di ba? Walang tao na maliit lang mangarap. And it's natural. Pero, ito yung nakakalungkot. The first person that sometimes belittle ourselves is no other than sarili din natin. So, dumaan din kami sa ganun. Even sa mga students, nakita ko yon na minsan, they don't believe to their talents. Sometimes even the parents pumupunta sa akin and then they will share na ito, may challenges, etc. Pero even me, yun din yung natutunan ko. Wherein, yun pala yung reason kung ba't kami pinadaan doon ni Lord. At, di ba, naitugma ko siya, kaya pala how far I'll go? How far I'll go? Go the? Yan. Kung may pangarap ka, mangarap ka ng malaki, di ba? Mangarap ka ng malaki, dream big, go the? Yun yung ibig sabihin nun. Go the distance. And dahil dyan, we want to share, kapag may malaki kayong pangarap, whether sa mga estudyante ko whether you will pursue singing, gusto nyo maging professional singer, or gusto nyo magkaroon ng ibang career, and even the parents, kung ano din ang dream na gusto nyo para sa mga anak nyo, and the other parents na nandito, I know that that is something big. So ito lang yung aking ma-share kung paano. 3 lang, based on our experience and based on our learnings. Gusto nyo malaman? Gusto nyo? Promise? So how many? 3, okay. Number 1, do the small things that you can control. Ang daming nangyari sa amin na hindi namin kontrolado. Yung tipong, the same, di ba? Nakikita nyo ang date ng tarpaulin namin. It's November 9. And today is November 16. So, hindi namin kontrolado. May bagyong dumating. Nag-brown out. Pero here, tingnan yung paligid nyo, may ilaw. So, hindi namin kontrolado yung weather, hindi namin kontrolado yung mga students, hindi namin kontrolado yung mga parents, hindi din namin kontrolado lahat. But ano yung kontrolado natin? So what we can control during that time, sabi ko, sige lang, let's prepare. Kung hindi talaga kayang ituloy, wag na. Sabi ko, mag-practice lang. Mga bata, sabi ko, nagbibigay kami ng mga take-home assignments. Of course, they are kid. Minsan talagang may mga times hindi makakapag-practice. Pero basta sabi ko, 3 beses sa isang linggo, mag-practice kayo kahit isa lang. Pero nagpa-practice naman sila. Ang ending, okay naman yung pag-sing nila. So, focus on what you can control. Focus on the small things. Ano yung kaya mong gawin? Kaya mo bang kausapin yung taong yun? Be brave with yourself. Be open with yourself. Sabihin mo kung ano nararamdaman mo, anong dapat gawin. If that's the small thing, the least thing that you can do it. Ikalawa, okay? Ikalawa, always choose to be grateful kahit mahirap. Always choose to be grateful kahit mahirap. Kasi, again, when you dream big, there will always be obstacles. Yung mga, makikita nyo yung mga students, akala nyo, kasi di ba madalas nakikita nila, finished product na. Madalas nakikita, yung performance level na. Diyos ko! Diyos ko, alam na mga parents yan. Bago yan nakapag-sing ng kung paano sila mag-sing ngayon, ang dami naming pinagdaanan, ang dami naming mga pinagdaanan na, uy, Teacher Jess, alam mo yung anak ko. Tapos yung anak, ano yan, hindi nagpa-practice, ang daming pinagdaanan. Pero, still, we choose to be grateful. Well, we choose to be grateful. Kaya palakpakan nyo yung mga parent. Kasi kahit ang daming challenges, they still choose na yung mga anak nila nandito pa rin. In-enroll pa rin nila and then nag-pursue hanggang sa recital. At palakpakan nyo din yung mga estudyante. Yung mga students. Di ba dumaan din tayo sa pagkabata? Di ba dumaan din tayo sa pagiging stubborn? Pero, andyan pa din naman sila. Kumanta pa din. Binigay pa rin yung best nila. They were so obedient kahit ang daming challenges. So, ikatlo. Dito na tayo sa last. So, una, gawin mo yung mga maliliit na bagay na kaya mong gawin. Ikalawa, kahit mahirap, always choose na magpasalamat. And lastly, hindi ito mangyayari if it's not because of God. So I really offer this. Lahat ng nangyaring ito, I really offer this to God. So do all things for God and have faith that He'll provide for your needs. So sabi ko nga sa inyo, this is our first recital na kami lang. Akala namin hindi namin mapufulfill. Pero na-fulfill namin. And ang saya-saya kasi yung partner naming school nandyan. Nandyan pa ba siya? Umalis na. Umalis na? Seryoso? Jo, are you there? Wala rin si Jo. Okay. So, nanood pa, actually dumaan siya dito sa amin kanina. So, there's still the support. Hindi namin alam kung saan kami kukuha ng budget. At nalalaman nyo ngayon kung anong nangyari, di ba? The budget. Kasi syempre, pag marami ang students, marami din na mag-share ng budget. But we had 7 students. And God revealed to us, may mga tumulong na sponsors. Kaya palakpakan natin yung mga sponsors natin. Okay? Some of them are not here. So, trust. And allow yourself to feel the wonder kung paano si God magpo-provide sa inyo. So, lahat ng nandito sa paligid nyo, lahat ng nakikita nyo, hindi lang yan through our efforts. Okay? Most of it, talagang provide sa amin ni Lord. The place, Diyos ko, kung malalaman nyo lang along the way, like, ganito yung price, as high as the ceiling, tapos binigay nila 50%, mga ganong blessings. Hindi namin ina-expect yun, but it just happened because we allow ourselves. Kasi sabi ko kay Aki, sabi ko, paano yan? Tayo lang na Flair School of Music, wala yung partnered school natin. Sige lang, go. So, if you have a dream big. Isa pa, dream big. Tapos tanungin nyo sa sarili nyo. Nagdesisyon na kayo nyo to dream big, tanungin nyo sa sarili nyo. So, wag nyo kakalimutan to kasi ito yung songs natin for today. How far I'll go. Di ba, mangangarap ka, how far I'll go? Saan ako pupunta? Gaano kalayo pupunta? And the answer is, the theme song of our event today, Go the Distance. So dahil dyan, ito din. Dahil nga, I'm thankful, yung mga bata, yung mga students, after nito, magka-choir tayo. Kasi actually, it's another endeavor. Sabi ko, ang mga students, pag tinuturuan ko, ayoko na after recital, tapos na. Kasi pag tapos na, wala na. So, they'll do something else. So ngayon, sabi ko, they need to have an avenue for them to sing. Sabi ko, magka-choir tayo. So, I am part of a spiritual community called The Feast or Light of Jesus. So, kulang kami sa choir. So sabi ko, ito na siguro ang sagot. Mga parents, okay lang ba sa inyo? Mag-choir yung mga anak nyo? Yes. Kasi hindi lang sila hindi lang sila magsising, they will as well serve. Diba? At least, ako, I really grow up sa pag-choir. Sino dito ang naka-experience mag-choir? Taas nga ang kamay. Diba? Kamusta ang experience mag-choir? Masaya. Diba? So parents, that will also be a good endeavor na habang, kasi hindi 24/7 nandyan kayo bantayan, but at least they are engaging to good activities like pagko-choir sa simbahan, diba? Mga ganyan. And ito pa, I would also like to invite, dahil patuloy po ang ating batch. Okay, so today is batch 3. Magkakaroon po tayo ulit ng batch 4. I'm inviting the students, yung mga bata pa, at even yung mga tita at tito. Ayoko na matanda. Tita at tito na gusto pang kumanta. Walang age limit. As a matter of fact, nandito po ang aking pinaka-tita na estudyante. Ayan, palakpakan po natin si Anding. So, si Anding po ang aking di ba, walang late sa dreaming. Alam nyo, when I encountered professional, yung talagang mga tita-tito na, ba't gusto nyo kumanta? Ba't gusto mo pa kumanta? Tapos sinasabi nila, kasi hindi ko na-fulfill yung childhood dreams ko. So, di ba, ngayon, may pera ka na. Kasi, nagtatrabaho ka na. Tapos, hindi ka na dinidiktahan ng magulang mo kung anong gagawin. So, you can decide for yourself. Follow your dreams. Even yung dreams na hindi mo nagawa nung bata ka pa. Kung ikaw ay nasa tono o wala sa tono, the good news is na de-develop po yan. O, coming from me ha, baka pag nag-iisip kayo, nasa sintonado, hindi pwede kumanta. Actually, it can be developed. Kaya pwedeng-pwede. Mga bata, mga tita, tito, you are welcome to our batch 4. So, maraming salamat. And gusto ko rin pasalamatan kasi along the process, hindi namin mapupursue yung aming sessions if it's not because of my ate. Ayan, palakpakan natin yung aking ate because she opened her house for us. Ayan, doon namin kinokonduct yung aming voice lesson. So everyone, sana ay na-inspire kayo. Don't dream small. Dream and ask yourself, how far I'll go? Go the distance. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you very much. Once again, palakpakan naman natin ang ating founder, ang ating coach, Teacher Jessica Atento. Maraming salamat. Thank you very much for that reminder. Hindi lang po para yan sa mga bata, hindi lang pala applicable para sa mga kids yung message ni Teacher Jessica. But as well, sabi nga, walang age limit ang mangarap. Thank you very much for that wonderful and very inspiring message. So, we've seen the performances of our dear students. Now, we're going to have a special gift, a dedication from our coach, from our teacher, Miss Jessica Atento. A round of applause, please.
I'm back. I am back from the entrance door.
Thank you for teaching me how to love, showing me what the world means, what I've been dreaming of, and what I know. There is nothing that I could not do thanks to you for teaching me how to feel, showing me my emotions, letting me know what's real from what is not. What I've got is what I'd ever hoped for, and a lot of what I hope for is thanks to you.
Aga nila magkatikaso para di na ay malo.
Game, record natin.
Terrible. I love you and salamat po sa rin sa inyong suporta. Bye-bye.
Mama, Papa, thank you sa pag-support ng kanta ko. I love you.
Hello, Mama. Thank you for everything. Mahal naman po kita.
Hello, Mama, Papa. Thank you for supporting my grades. Love you.
Hi, Mama and Papa. Thank you for loving me always. Love you. Hi, Mama and Papa. I just want to say thank you for always supporting me when I sing. I love you po.
Hello po, Mama and Papa. Thank you po sa support nyo sa akin kasi binigyan niyo ako ng magandang buhay. I love you, Mama and Papa. Bye-bye.
Thank you very much to our dear parents for your love and support. Mr. Josel Radoblado, Miss Teresa Blisila Sia, Mr. Andoy and Mrs. Tin Meliano, Mr. Jano and Mrs. Ja Miranda, Mr. Jerome and Miss Maria Franica Valderrama, and Mr. Akem and Mrs. Jenny Bernaldez. Thank you very much. Would like to request our dear parents to please be in front for a special dedication to you.
Punta na po dito mga parents. Actually, that is a surprise.
That is a surprise. I hope you were
Lagi kami may
surprised right
pa-surprise sa
now.
mga parents eh. So, lahat ng parents, mother and father and kids, kindly go in front.
Thanks to you for teaching me how to love, putting things in perspective, showing me how to give and how to take. No mistakes, we were put here together.
Alright, so dito na ako sa harapan. Sabay-sabay.
And if I break down, forgive me, but it's true. Thanks to you.
Thank you everyone. Thank you parents.
Oh, you can kiss and hug your
Kiss and
papa and
hug.
mama. Kiss and hug. A little appreciation po. Also from Flair School of Music, thank you very much to our dear parents. Your love and guidance truly inspire these young talents every day. Also, thank you very much to our students for showing their appreciation to their parents. It's clear how much you treasure them. Once again, a round of applause to our very supportive parents. Maraming salamat po. Okay, photo op? Okay na ba yung photo op? Alright. Photo op? Okay. So, thank you very much. Okay na daw? So, you can settle down and go back because hindi pa dyan nagtatapos ang ating performance. Once again, thank you to our parents and to our performers. Maraming salamat sa ating pitong students sa ating batch 3 sa ating Flair School of Music recital. Maraming salamat po sa inyong dedication. Yan, nakakaantig naman. I hope you're surprised as well. So now let's have the recognition segment for the students of Flair School of Music, Batch 3. We would like to appreciate and recognize their efforts, their talents for our dear students. Can we have a sample of certificate? So I would like to read the citation of their certificate. Certificate of Appreciation is proudly presented to in recognition of your hard work, dedication, and outstanding performance during our recital with the theme Go the Distance, held on November 16, 2025 at the Nest Resto Bar, 2nd floor, Puro, Legazpi City. Your passion and commitment have truly made this event a shining success. Signed by our founder of Flair School of Music, Miss Jessica Atento. This certificate and award is given to Maria Jeronica Kate A. Valderrama. Picture, picture. Thank you very much, Kate. Next, on stage, same certificate will be awarded to Frances Kit A. Valderrama. Baka magtataka kayo po ha, they are siblings. Ayan, very talented na magkapatid. Congratulations, Kit. Same certificate will be awarded to Lauren Dominic A. Miliano, aka Ayan. Congratulations. Congratulations, Ayan. Next will be Nathalia Freja R. Miranda. Congratulations. A round of applause for our Nathalia. Congratulations, Nath. The fifth, same award and certificate for Gian A. Redoblado, aka Ben. Wow. Congratulations, Gian. Smile. Congrats, Gian. Our sixth student is Samantha Selena M. Sia. Congratulations, Sam. Ang ating rocker, Sarah G. Alright, last but not the least, Krishna Fatima D. Bernaldez. Congratulations, Fatima. Once again, congratulations to our dear students. Palakpakan naman po yung pinakamalakas na palakpak na ibibigay natin sa kanila. Wonderful, wonderful. Okay, pictorial, just a quick pictorial to our 7 students of Batch 3 Flair School of Music Recital. Congratulations as well to our coaches, Teacher Jessica and Teacher Akelo Famia. Maraming salamat po. Ay, nagkaka-teary-eye na sila. Sasaya. Ayan. Once again, thank you very much to our dear students. I hope you appreciate those little awards and certificates for you. Alright, while they are preparing, we're going to thank again our sponsors, OV Dream Events and Concepts, Ara Lampara at Musica Pro Sounds and Lights, Mega Energy of AXA Philippines, Hobbyist Gaming Hub, Ian's Cake by Irene Abaricio, Kanjan Water, Geoplast Printing Advertisement Center, Smart Speech Learning and Development Center. Also our suppliers, thank you, Dove's Gallery, The Nest Resto Bar, and Miss Yen Gimo. Also our production staff, thank you very much for your effort, dedication. Thank you, Miss Bushin Marilo Famia, Miss Christine Amario, and Miss Andrea Asopardo. Maraming salamat po. Okay, So, while we are preparing for our last performance of our dear students, we would like to request everyone, meron bang mga cellphone? Meron ba kayong mga data? Meron ba? Ayan. So, sino yung may mga data dito? Can we, palambing naman po, can you search on Facebook, our Facebook page? You can search Flair Acoustic. So, meron po ba dito na may data or wifi at hindi pa nakakapag-like at follow? Alam ko kasi pag uwi ng bahay o baka mamaya na makalimutan na, can you search Flair Acoustic? Ayan po, yung Flair. Doon po yung nasa tarp natin. Spelled F-L-A-I-R and Acoustic. So, can you please like? Yan. Salamat po. Salamat po for taking your time. Yes. So also, thank you very much for your effort na i-like and follow. May nakita na akong nag-open ng kanyang Facebook. Ayan. Thank you very much. And also, would like to, a while ago, I'm giving you some trivia about their performances. And did you know na it's their choice? I know and I believe it's their choice of song. Di ba, teacher or Coach Jessica? It's also based from their personality, their likings. So it's a good choice. It also reflects their personality, their aura as well. Kung ano yung, kung sino din yung ina-idolize nila and ano yung hilig nilang kantahin. So would like to invite, sabi ko nga kanina, yung may mga kakilala dyan. Kung sino na ba ang naiisip nyo? Sino na ba ang napupusuan ninyo for our batch 4? O baka may pwede na kayong may pakilala sa amin. So sabi nga ni teacher or ni Coach Jess, wala po itong age limit. Hanggat may hininga. Hanggat may hininga. Diba? Hanggat andyan pa yung passion. Diba? Yung fire. Yung willingness niyang matuto. So also, your host, yours truly as well, is a product. Produkto din po ako ng Flair School of Music. Kami po ang batch 1. Yan po. So kasama po namin yung isa sa mga coach, si Coach Aquilo Famia. So yung isa sa mga punong abala din po dito sa Flair School of Music. Kasamahan po namin. Kasama ko po yan sa batch 1. And meron pa po akong mga kasama. And also, meron po sa batch 2, meron po din yung nasa kaidara namin. Ayan, i-reveal na. Kung siya nga 3 decades, ayan po, sabi ko nga sa sarili ko, hindi pa huli ang lahat. Diba, imagine that. Kung yung pinakabata, ilan ba yung pinakabata, Teacher Jess? Ngayon, 6 years old. Imagine mo, 6 years old. Pinakabata sa Flair School of Music. Kami ata yung pinaka-matured at that time. Kasi yung I think si Anding is, guitar. Diba? So, iba yung guitar, iba yung voice lesson. So, siguro kami yung pinaka-matured. Ayokong pinaka-matanda, diba? Pinaka-matured, nasa 30s. So, imagine that. Kung kayo po mahilig sa video okay. Sino po dito yung mga mahilig kumanta sa video okay? Oy, nahihiya. Baka nga ipa-enroll ako. Sige na po, ay may sinasadya so, diba? Alam niyo ba, hindi pa huli ang lahat. Yun ang pinaniniwalaan ko nung sumali ako sa Flair School of Music na hindi pa huli ang lahat. Diba? Hanggat buhay pa tayo, yan, may pangarap tayo na may mga pangarap na hindi pa na-fulfill. So I think this is the right time for you. So if you are a busy person, just hit us a message para ma-schedule na yung voice lesson na yan. And also, not just a voice lesson, we also have different lessons as well, especially sa strings, sa strings. And also, a while ago, we have our guest a while ago, si Joram. Siya po ay nagtuturo ng bandurya. So, if you are interested as well, you may message our page, Flair Acoustic. And also, shameless plugging na din, not just a recital, but we also cater events. Hindi po catering, but we also have a band or acoustic band. Ayan, di ba? So if you have an event, a wedding, corporate events, birthdays, at nangangailangan po kayo ng acoustic band. So, Flair Acoustic is available. So, kung may mga corporate event po kayo, yan na intimate man yan, or pwedeng sa kasal. Alam niyo po ba, live music is a good one kapag merong mga events because there will be a chance na merong magja-jam, hindi ba? Unlimited yung, hindi naman unlimited, pero they have the chance na makipag-jam instead of having the karaoke. Ayan. So, alam niyo ba ang Flair School of Music also, it started. Yung iba, akala nila ngayong taon lang. But I am sure, di ba nag-start kita, Teacher Jess, last year? So we started last year, 2024. So, yung batch 4 kami, that was last year. So, tuloy-tuloy na hanggang ngayong 2025. So, I hope we'll have our next batch or batch 4 next year. So, ayan nga. So, kung may kapatid pa po, si Gian, sir, kung may kapatid po si Gian, pwede na po natin i-enroll sa batch 4. Or may kapatid pa si Sam, may kapatid pa si Nat, o iniisa-isa ko na. Yan, si ano po, si Ayen. Ayan, umiiyak pa yung kapatid. Baka next year pwede na yan. Ilan na ba? 1 year old and few months. 1 year old na po ba si Rob? Hindi pa naman, di ba? 9 months. Di ba? So, madami na tayong future na magre-recital. So, I prepare for you as well some trivia. Yan. So, while they are preparing as well, I'll just give you some trivia about music. Ayan. So while we are waiting for them, did you know that music, it activates same part of our brain, responsible for our emotions and memory. Kaya naman pala, ano yung nafe-feel nyo pag nakakarinig kayo ng masayang kanta? Nalulungkot ba kayo? Di ba? Pag nakakarinig ng maganda o masayang kanta o joyful na music, ano mami ang na-feel mo? Masaya. So that music activates our emotions and our memory. Sabi dito, in our memory. Kaya naman, pag may mga kanta, minsan may naaalala. Hindi ba? Naaalala, ano? Pwedeng pangyayari ito? O naaalala mo, sino? Sino kaya ang naaalala mo pag narinig mo yung kanta? Hindi ba, Miss Friend? Narinig mo yung kantang ganito, tapos may naaalala ka. Pwedeng naalala mo yung masakit na nangyari sa'yo, o may naalala kang isang tao, di ba, na na-inspire ka dahil sa kantang yan. So that music activates our part of our brain na responsible sa ating emotions. So, just a few and little trivia for you. So, now, let's continue our performance. As we close our recital. Ready na ba kayo for our closing? As we close our recital today, here are all of the Flair School of Music students to perform our theme song, Go the Distance. A round of applause, please.